We are here in Rhode Island for Mikayla and Cody's wedding. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun vlog. We are here in Rhode Island for Mikayla and Cody's wedding. When I say I am so excited for you guys to see this vlog, like I feel like I'm in my vlog era. I just feel like a vlogger again. You guys have been commenting on my latest vlogs. You guys have been loving them, and I just want to say I love you guys so much. We just landed here. We had a literally 12-hour flight. We left at 1 a.m. last night, and we just landed pretty much at noon, and it's about to be 3 o'clock, and we are hungry. When I say we, I am here with Peter and Paul. Zoom. Come on in, Zoom. Come on in, Zoom. Come on.
No one knows that.
Zoom.
You guys know that? Or too old?
I just hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We are going to explore Rhode Island together. We are actually here in Newport. We've never been here. Let me show you guys what's around us. This is the view from my window. It is giving dock. Let's explore Newport together. We're gonna go grab some lunch. If you guys want to see all the action, stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel right now, and let's go get some food. And again, congrats, Mikayla and Cody. Look at this little area in between the rooms. It's giving model home. It's like a little lounge area. Peter, what hotel is this called? The Hammett Hotel. Oh, Peter, do you want to see how much of an ally Newport is? Guys, we walked here, we said, we feel welcome. We feel safe.
We feel safe.
We feel safe, right, Paul?
Yeah.
Wow. We got this seafood platter. We did. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm drooling. Look at this. These are the lobster, whatever, fritters, shrimp, oysters, lobster. Looks so good. Get our food. We devoured the tower. But Paul, what did you get? You got
Crispy redfish.
Look at this view and this food. I got the warm lobster roll. Guys, we are exploring Newport together. Look, we are here at the Bowen's Bowl. I saw this cookie jar. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. We wanted to go to, where do we want to go? Ben & Jerry's. So we're gonna go explore, but look at how cute this little area is.
Sure got napkins. It's dripping everywhere.
No, it's not. Look how pretty it is right here. Guys, I texted Samantha Terramina. If you guys don't remember, she was in the Ultimate campaign, and there are a bunch of other content creators out here that are also here for the wedding that I'm excited to meet and also surprise them with. So just come to dinner tonight. So I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna film a TikTok, and then I will go see you guys at dinner. Guys, we did some makeup, and we are on the way to see some friends the night before the wedding. I got ready just so I can practice my makeup for tomorrow, and I filmed a TikTok on this makeup. I love it. My skin has been really good to me because I've been using my new Glonar hydrogen abrasion machine, which I'm so excited to show you. I've just been practicing outside at home off camera so I can get the hang of it, so when I'm showing you guys how to use it, because you know I'm an esthetician graduate, it's been really showing in my makeup application up close. Newport's crazy. But we're gonna go meet Samantha Terramina and some of the girls at the Landing restaurant. Guys, tomorrow is the wedding, and I just wanted to come on here and say, more than ever, I feel like my old self again on YouTube, in a hotel, about to take off my makeup for you guys. Let's take off these lashes. We got to have so much fun, and I feel like experiences like this that are not brand trips kind of reinforce my love for why I did this and why I started. Just got off the phone with Dylan Mulvaney, and Chris Olsen was with her. I thought Dylan was gonna be coming with Chris Appleton, because Chris Appleton and Mario are doing Mikayla's hair and makeup. The last thing that I ever thought was that I would be doing Dylan's makeup, and I'm really honored that she asked me to glam her. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some good night's sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup. By the way, these contacts I think are my new obsession in terms of color. They're a lot more, I believe, subtle than my other ones. These are in the color Sublime Gray by Desio Eyes. As you can see, I have no nails. So tomorrow I'm gonna do my nails in the morning. Just wanted to come on here and give the old YouTuber vibes of PatrickStarrr and say hello and good night. I will see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Good morning. It is time to shave the head. I was telling Peter and Paul this morning, you guys, everyone at the dinner last night was so fun. Samantha, she goes, okay, make sure there's no pictures and photos at the wedding. And I was like, me and Peter and Paul, we had literally brought like all our cameras and stuff. We also want to be respectful too. We're like, okay, perfect. We get to enjoy. And I think it's nicer anyways for the pictures. If it was me at my wedding, if I ever had a wedding, I would literally have those like little clips. You know, like those things at movie premieres where they're like, they put your phone in those little trap cases.
Oh yeah, I would do that too.
Oh, by the way, just to state the obvious, I'm shaving my head. Look at this gnarly tan line right here. A part about being a social media person now is that we have to do all these befores and afters and transformations. Paul, our TikTok person, and then Peter does all our YouTubes. It's literally like a behind the scenes. So on top of you guys knowing me for however long that you've known me on YouTube, there's more to it than meets the eye. There's YouTube lights, another light. Oh, we have a hair light over here. And then Paul is gonna help us do the TikTok. So Paul said, let's do rehearsal. If this song plays at the wedding tonight, period, move Mikayla. Okay guys, so we are gonna go film in the little game room. So this is what it takes to film a TikTok. I know you guys are getting your life watching us like siblings rehearse. Guys, look at this beautiful like little game room right here. Yeah. I think that's wait, let's practice it. Let's see. That. That. Okay, good. So here you guys, you guys doing a YouTube video. We're doing it. You guys didn't know I used to be a choreographer, so we're here. 1 hour. We have to do our makeup. Guys, we are halfway through Glam. We are moments away, and Dylan is probably like 5 minutes away from you. Dylan, she is here. The boys are scrambling to switch the set. Guys, this is history in the making. Guys, I've been doing this 10 years, and it's still so exciting to meet people. Oh, Queen! Oh my God. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
We're, like,
this is finally we tagged the royal wedding,
We're gonna
and I did think that, because at first I was like, I thought I was watching an old video of you like at the royal wedding, and then I was like, no, it is the royal wedding.
This is us, I'm excited.
Hello.
She's here!
I feel like I've got you for hair and makeup today, so I feel very
we may
lucky.
not have Mario Zidovanovic or Chris Appleton, but we got the Kiki has been Kiki. It was cute.
This has been good girl catch up. It's been really good for my soul.
Aww.
I can't wait to dance the night away with you.
I'm glad that we got to meet. This is kind of like my vacation when I get to like recharge and get to meet people like you.
And then I make you do my hair. I'm so sorry.
This is what I love. You're an icon. You're such an icon. And I was like, I'm so glad that I get to glam you. Check out our TikToks, girl, because they're glam.
They're happening.
This is the chaos that is what we call getting ready. They're packing all the vlogging stuff. Can we talk about the makeup? Y'all need to see this tutorial after. I'm gonna do my nails in the car, by the way. The makeup is really eating right now with the white under eye. But what's really exciting is that there's no cameras allowed at the ceremony, so sorry you guys can't get to see that, but Mikayla will have everything on her channels. It's nice to just really celebrate a matrimony with someone that's so talented, and we're so honored to celebrate and just come together and celebrate their love and their wedding and marriage. Look at my freaking shadow. Me always falling behind. Going to a wedding. The nails are on. Paul just helped me. Look how beautiful. Earrings are glued. They're super glued on the ears. I love these. I got these at DragCon, and I'm obsessed with the makeup, you guys. Be sure to check out the tutorial coming up soon, because this smoky wing, I feel like I'm getting better at. And I'm glad that I get to try new variations of makeup that I get to apply in real life than just being at home. So I'm happy that I get to actually wear my makeup out in public for an event. Look at Paul right here, superstar. Oh God. My gosh. We're here. Trixie, I I love you. Oh, it's our glam. Are you guys excited?
I'm so excited.
You can tell Mikayla and Cody what are your wishes via my vlog.
Oh my gosh. Happiness. Endless love. Happiness.
I was joking in the car. This was such a funny joke. I said, I wish you wealth, health, and happiness.
I love it.
Elf, if you steal that bitch, I'm gonna charge you. We have flavors. Oh, fast.
No, it's so good.
I've started eating you. Oh my gosh. The wedding ceremony was stunning, and I'm glad that we got to enjoy it. We were literally about to lose it, crying. Love a charcuterie plate. A board, a table. The charcuterie board is major, the grill station is major, and my makeup, major. It is waterproof. We are literally by the water. It's so stunning. And we got our lemonade from the lemonade stand, and we're gonna go inside to get our food and look at the beautiful table settings. Oh, our name is over there. Where's my name? Oh my God, Paul Samandak and Patrick Samandak. Poor. Let's go inside and take a seat.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
All right, guys, this is the finished look. It is literally 12 a.m. You guys, that is a wrap. We gotta get out of this turban.
It's a weight off your shoulders.
I'm still serving BALD. Y'all, it's the day after the wedding. We are out here. We got Starbucks. Got a green tea. And then I got this new pineapple passion fruit lemonade. What did you get?
Tall iced coffee and a turkey pesto sandwich.
And then we have 2 hours to kill. And look what I got, guys. I went to the Newport Fudgery and I got like 2 fudge samples. And we're just walking around on the town. So pretty. If you guys have been to Boardwalk at Disney World, like the resort, it's so cute. And it feels like a life-size version of that. Oh my God, there is hot men jogging out here. Look. And this truck is literally about to hit me. Look, sir, you're on the sidewalk. I'm so Mama Star right now. I am here in this Christmas store. Look at this, guys. I need this for the house. How cute. You know what's crazy? The older that I get, the more I realize I am becoming my mother. And I can tell Peter and Paul are becoming more like my dad. Guys, look at this umbrella installation. Whenever I work out, Athleta, they're kind of expensive, but what's crazy is that they have such inclusive sizing. I was so surprised that they carried my size in a store like this.
2 seconds later.
And then they don't have my size. Paul, come here. I missed it. We're in there and we're like, how did it start? It's like, oh, do you have the shorts? And then she's like, oh, I don't have the shorts. And then I was like, oh, it's so nice here. We're so beautiful here. It looks like a movie set. She goes, do you want to see the movie set of Hocus Pocus 2?
Right, if you walk.
Hocus Pocus 2
Yeah,
was
like right up there. It was filmed right there.
Right there?
I can, well, it's easy to show you this way. I know it sounds crazy, but I'll show you.
Gary's giving us a Hollywood tour. She took us to the back door and she's like, come on, come with me. Could you watch the front?
Maria, can you watch the front for 1 second? I'm going to just give you guys a little walk.
And she walks us back where we came from, all the way over there. And that's where they took Hocus Pocus.
Cool.
Oh my gosh.
Sadly, we did not meet any of them.
The witches. Through Athleta, come find your name again?
Mary,
and get your little Hocus Pocus 2 tour. You need to come to Newport and go to this Athleta right here, look, and get you a Hollywood tour because it's sickening. Now let's go to Sephora. Guys, I like wanted to do a little pop-up and drive-by just to see how one size is doing. Oh, looks like they're sold out. Period. Look, she's using the on-sale gun.
What else would you be using?
Yes.
Like, I don't know.
Goodbye. How cool that I get to meet and see all of the Sephora employees. It's just so cute. And it's a beautiful day in Newport. If you guys haven't visited Newport, you guys have to totally come to Newport. And we're about to get some good food because they have so many good recommendations. And I'm sure Peter and Paul are very hungry. Tell the vlog where we're going.
We're gonna eat here at this place called Surf Club. They have vegan options, which is amazing. And now we're gonna eat food.
Awesome. So this is the place that they sat us at. And this is where our hotel is at. They have an indoor version over there, which is really nice. But it's nice to be outside and so pretty. And look at the yachts over there. Wow, look at our food at the surf club. I feel like we're on vacation. It looks nice. Very nice. So I got ginger wings. We got the house-made guac. What did you get?
I got a vegan pizza.
Vegan pizza. Paul, what did you get?
Chicken tacos.
You got fish tacos, but they didn't have no fish tacos, but they had chicken tacos. So, you guys, we are gonna go view the Newport mansions. And apparently this is where a lot of rich people lived. Our waitress from yesterday said, you guys gotta go see the mansions. This is a quick, like, little drive. So right on our way to the airport, we're just gonna go see if we can see and tour these mansions. Look at my window. It is raining. So when I say God was good for Mikayla's wedding yesterday, it was so gorgeous. Boy, did we dodge the rain. Y'all, look at these huge ass houses. Let me slow down. I want to see. Peter, that's my house. Oh my God, Peter, you need to drive slow. The whole point of seeing this freaking tour is so we could look and peep in people's homes. Peter, wait, look at this one. Tell the guards to open up the gate. Sorry guys, this tour is a little bit jank because our tour guide doesn't know how to freaking drive. He's driving like Papa Star. I gave you the direct. Girl, we're about to fucking hit the water. Go slow. This one, wow. Oh, it's raining. It is raining. Wait, drive slow, Peter. Guys, I'm so sorry this tour is uneventful, but we're just trying our best right before we go to the airport. And sorry if I have a little country accent because I've been talking like Mama Ta for the last few hours. These houses, you guys, is inspiring me to have my landscape architecture be. I just love the greenery. And you know what's actually nice about the rain is that you can have beautiful shrubbery and beautiful landscaping because the plants get watered. Unlike LA, it's all freaking very dry. Guys, look at this gorgeous gate. Oh my gosh. It's so stunning. The rain is a little unfortunate though. Can you imagine these people in the rain? Look at them. Girl, you better run. I think the real attraction is me, Peter, and Paul. We're just more enthused at the people getting wet in the rain because it is raining hard. If you ever are in Newport, the town where we were staying, we were at the Hammer Hotel. Gorgeous. Everything is within walking distance. And then Bellevue Ave is where the Newport mansions are. So I need to tell you guys a fun little crazy fact about me. So on the airplane, I was just doing this just now. If you ever see me on an airplane, as soon as I put my hands like this on a plane, I can fall asleep because this gives me comfort. And let me tell you why. I like loosen my belt, you know, I have like some room. It's like at the max, but I have like room to like wiggle my wrist in there. I don't want my arms to like knock the freaking person next to me if I fall asleep on the plane. So this just gives me comfort, and not that I feel like under arrest, but I feel like I could rest. My body signals to me, okay, your arms won't flail, you're secure, you're fine, and you can rest. So every time I put my arm like this, I'm triggered to be like, so if you ever see me on a plane and you see my arms like this, the bitch better knock out. I believe. Alright, Paul's going that way. We're going this way. Bye. Alright guys, I am back home from Newport, Rhode Island. I had so much fun. We just said bye to Paul and we're back, and as you can see right here, I have a bunch of Makeup by Mario products because I am going to recreate Mikayla's wedding look on my TikTok. So be sure to follow me on TikTok. Shout out to Mikayla and Cody. Congratulations on your wedding. Shout out to everyone that I met in Newport, Rhode Island. I had so much fun meeting you. And because it's summer and it was like 4th of July weekend, everyone was like, I I'm wearing your powder, I'm wearing your setting spray. And I was just in awe of everyone that has supported the product and the brand and also said hi to me. So if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, exploring new cities, new places, new things, be sure to comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, make episode one size fits all. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.